press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome to the class and I am here to teach you the lesson bamboo curry. So bamboo curry is very funny lesson. Here in this lesson we can see the three characters: Santahal, Santahal's mother-in-law and Santahal's wife. Santahal's mother-in-law means in Kannada we can call it as Atte, and Santahal's wife. So what is the story about this bamboo curry and Santahal? We will come to know in this lesson. Before we go to the lesson, we should know what is bamboo. Bamboo, a tall grass with woody layer outside. So bamboo belongs to the grass family. It is a tall grass with woody layer outside and hollow round inside. When you break the bamboo, you will get nothing. It will be empty, hollow, and straight and joint stem. So it will be very long in height, very straight and with joint stems. So bamboo is used for many things. For the doors it is used, window, for construction, for accessories, many things. For the many things bamboo is used. So now what is the story about this bamboo curry? So before we go to the lesson, I would like to tell you that mango fruit, you will eat mango fruit, correct? So before the mango gets ripe, hannu, okay, what happens? Means before when the mango is unripe, mango kai iddaga, hasi kai iddaga, what we do? We can use mango for pickles and also chutney, right? And when it gets ripe, hannadmele, we eat it as a fruit, correct? So same like papaya also. Papaya, before it gets ripe, we can make vegetable of it, right? And when it gets ripe, we eat it as a fruit. So like that many things are there in the nature. When it is unripe, it is used as vegetables. So bamboo also is one kind of edible. So we can use it for our food purpose also. So this is a story. What is the story here? Bamboo curry. What is the story about this Santahal? We come to know in this lesson. So dear students, keep the textbook open. One day, the mother-in-law of Santahal bridegroom means in Kannada you can say Madhumaga, okay. One day, the mother-in-law of Santahal cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. So in Kannada you can say that ondina enagutte, Santahal, okay, the bridegroom, Madhumaga, he comes to visit the mother-in-law. Mother-in-law means Atte. He comes to visit to the mother-in-law, okay, in his village. Then what she did, the mother-in-law, she prepared a good dish for the Santahal. Okay, so whenever when the guests come to our home, we will prepare something special dish. So like that, Santahal's mother-in-law, she cooked a good dish for Santahal. This curry is delicious. What is it? What is it? He asked to mother-in-law. So when Santahal finished his lunch, he tasted the food and he told that the curry was very delicious. How did you make this curry? How it is made up? So it is very delicious. So mother-in-law, she pointed towards the bamboo. Said curry is made up of bamboo. The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So he liked the curry so much that next day he thought that I should have this curry again and again after going home. So I should tell my wife to cook this bamboo curry again. So he thought, but there is no bamboo at all in the village, then what to do? So he requested to mother-in-law that he wanted bamboo door so that he can make curry. And she agreed and he took the bamboo on his head and he started walking. See there, next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying with him left for the home. So he told mother-in-law that I want this bamboo door, and she agreed, and he took the bamboo door and started walking. On reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. So when he took the bamboo door and went to the village, he ordered his wife to prepare the curry with this bamboo door. Here you can see the pictures. See here, the mother-in-law, she is cooking the curry and she pointed towards the bamboo. The curry is made up of bamboo. Then the Santahal, he took the bamboo door and he started walking to his home. Then next what happens here? He orders the wife to prepare the bamboo curry made up of this bamboo door, and she was shocked. She asked him, how can I prepare? This bamboo door is no use to prepare the curry, but he did not listen. He told that your mother, she cooked so nice curry out of this bamboo, you also prepare. And he told, she was shocked, how can I make curry out of bamboo door? Come, I will help you by chopping up bamboo, he said. So you alone you don't do, I will also help you. I will chop the bamboo into pieces and you can prepare the curry. His wife, then she also agreed and she told, okay, I will try, but I don't know how to prepare the bamboo curry. Then also when you are asking to do me, okay, I will prepare, let's see. She brought a big vessel, she poured the water and she kept it for boiling. And when the water was boiling, she put all the bamboo pieces in that water and she kept it for the boiling. His wife boiled and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted, he said, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. So, when she kept the bamboos for the boiling, after 1 hour, 2 hours, Santahal went and he tasted one piece of bamboo. It was very hard. It was not soft. See, when we boil the things, it becomes soft, right? But it was not soft. Then he asked the wife saying that you don't know to cook. Still the bamboo is very hard, it is not able to eat. Then what she did? His wife added more water and boiled. It's too hard, I can't eat it. So after boiling again for 2 hours, again the Santahal tasted the bamboo and he said that now also it is too hard and you don't know how to cook. Here you can see the picture how they are boiling the bamboos. So after boiling also, it was not soft, it was too hard and it was not able to eat it. So why this happened? That mother-in-law, she has cooked very nicely, very nice she has cooked, but now it is not able to cook. Why? So he shouted on the wife saying that you don't know to cook. But when I went to mother-in-law home, she prepared the curry and it was very tasty. And she told me that curry was made up of bamboo only. And why now you are not able to prepare? So what she do? What the Santahal's wife did? She poured some more water and she kept it for the boiling again. And again it was too hard. Then what happens? The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. So the same evening, the mother-in-law, she came. Young couple means they were newly married. Santahal was newly married and he was staying with his wife, and mother-in-law came to visit them. They all laughed at his foolishness. Means when the Santa's wife told to mother that he forced me to cook the curry out of this bamboo and it was not able, and we tried and we boiled for hours together, then also the bamboo is very hard, it's not able to eat, and he is shouting that you don't know to cook. And listening this, the mother-in-law and that Santa's wife, they both started laughing very loudly. Why they started laughing loudly? Why they started on, they told him that it is, you are fool. Why? Because the Santahal actually did not come to know how the curry was made. Out of what the curry was made up of? It was made up of bamboo No, it was made up of bamboo shoot. So, bamboo shoot is one kind of edible soft fiber we can get inside the bamboo, and we can cut it and we can make the vegetable as we can eat potato vegetable, same like that. What is the bamboo shoot? Bamboo shoot means the edible shoot of bamboo cooked and eaten as vegetable. So, bamboo is different and bamboo shoot is different. It is a soft layer, it is edible which can be eaten as a vegetable. So, they laughed that they Santahal did not come to know how actually the curry was made of, and he forced the wife to make the curry out of bamboo door, which was not possible because the curry was made up of bamboo shoot. See that they laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made up of bamboo shoot and not from bamboo door?" Then she explained the Santahal that bamboo door is different and bamboo shoot is different. And the Santahal became very much he felt shame saying, thinking that he did not come to know actually how the curry was made. So, it is a funny lesson about the bamboo curry. Okay students, now once again I will read all the lines, you look at your textbook. One day the mother-in-law of Santahal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed the bamboo door. So, when after eating the food he asked what is the curry made of, she pointed towards the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So, he removed the bamboo door and carrying with him left to his home. So, he thought that after going home also I should have this bamboo curry, I should cook this bamboo curry, but there is no bamboo at all in the village. So, he requested mother-in-law that he wants to take the bamboo door, and she agreed, and the Santahal took the bamboo door in his hand and went to the village. On reaching to the village, he told to his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." He ordered to the wife saying that, I have tasted the curry in mother-in-law house, it was very tasty. So, you prepared the curry out of this bamboo door. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? She told him that it is not possible to prepare the curry with the help of this door. But Santahal did not agree. He told that the mother-in-law, she cooked out of this bamboo only. You have to prepare with this bamboo. Come, I will help you to chopping up the bamboo, he said. And he helped to wash the bamboo. He removed one bamboo stick, he washed and he chopped into the pieces. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted, he said, "It's too hard. You don't know how to cook." So, after 1 or 2 hours, he tasted the piece of bamboo and it was very hard. He was not able to eat. And he scolded the wife saying that you don't know to cook. See how mother, how so nicely so tasty she has prepared the curry, but you don't know to cook. He scolded to the wife. His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. Again she put more water so that it can boil again nicely. Again for 1 and 2 hours the bamboo was same as it is. It was not soft and was not able to eat. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. So, the same evening that lady again she came to visit the Santahal and daughter. They all laughed at his foolishness. When the Santahal's wife told that he brought the door and he forced her to prepare the curry, they all started laughing. Because why? Why? Because the mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made up of bamboo shoot and not by bamboo door?" So, curry was not made of door, it was made up of shoot. It is one edible part of the bamboo that is, when it is unwrapped, we can use it and we can make the vegetable. And the meaning of the bamboo shoot is the edible shoot of bamboo cooked and eaten as vegetable. So it is not about bamboo door, it is about bamboo shoot. So listening this, all started laughing, and Santahali became very much ashamed, saying that he did not understand what is the difference between bamboo and bamboo shoot. So it's a very funny lesson. Dear students, you can read the whole lesson. Understand the story by looking the pictures given here. You can look at both the pictures and you can understand. If you don't understand it properly, if you find any difficulty, you can drop the message, will clarify your doubts, and you can underline the difficult words also. And these two meanings also you should copy down so that you can understand it very nicely. Okay, dear students, read the lesson carefully and imagine the story, understand the story by looking the pictures, and if you get any doubts, you can drop the message, will clarify your doubts. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye, thank you.